So I'm excited to be starting a new series of videos on this channel that are 5-minute quick tips all about Shopify. So in this first one, I'm going to be talking about the number one thing that you don't need to be doing with your paid ads. I've talked about this before on this channel, but I still see it all the time. And it makes me cringe because I know that people are losing money. So for this very first quick tip Shopify video, I really wanted to tackle the biggest issue that I see with paid advertising, which is when people send their traffic to their homepage. So you're paying for advertising, you're spending this money, and then you're sending them to the homepage and just hoping that they get to the right product or collection and find what they're looking for. This, my friend, is a total waste of money because there's so many distractions on the homepage. There's a lot of different things going on, maybe there's pop-ups, things like that, and you're just kind of almost paying and then praying that they find what they're looking for. Instead, what I want you to do anytime that you're doing paid advertising, whether it be on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, I want you to actually send that traffic to whatever is relevant for the picture. So if it's a collection of products, then send it to a collection page on your site. Make sure it's a limited collection so they're not having to scroll through like 5 different pages on that collection, or send it to an individual product page. You're gonna have way more conversions when you're actually sending them to exactly what it is that they clicked on. Just think about it. If they clicked on that image for an ad, they most likely did it because they liked the image. And maybe they read the copy, maybe they didn't, but it's gonna be really nice if once they get to that product page, they actually then see that image again, or they instantly see that product that they were interested in the ad that they just clicked on. So you're going to increase your conversion rates and definitely not waste as much money whenever you make sure that you are sending that paid traffic to a very specific targeted page on your site. I hope you found this quick tip helpful, and if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so that you're the first to be notified anytime we put out more videos all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.